I'm a kid. Hello, kids. Here we are again with a new video of I'm a Kid. Today, we are going to learn about birds. There are many species of birds all over the world. We can see them in our forests as well as some in the cities. You can also take a visit to a bird's paradise with your parents to check out the most of the birds we will learn today. So are you ready to learn today's lesson? Let's start. You can repeat after me. A. Albatross bird. B. Bluebird. C. Crow. D. Duck. E. Eagle. F. Flamingo. G. Goldfinch. H. Hawk. I. Ibis. J. Jaybird. K. Kingfisher. L. Lovebird. M. Macaw. N. Nuthatch. O. Owl. P. Peacock. Q. Quetzal. R. Robin. S. Swan. T. Toucan. U. Pupa. V. Vulture. W. Woodpecker. X. Xenopes. Y. Yellowhammer. Z. Zebrafinch. See, now you have learned the names of many birds. Now, let's recollect what we learned. Albatross bird. Bluebird. Crow. Duck. Eagle. Flamingo. Goldfinch. Hawk. Ibis. Jaybird. Kingfisher. Lovebird. Macaw. Nuthatch. Owl. Peacock. Quetzal, robin, swan, toucan, pupa, vulture, woodpecker, xenops, yellowhammer, zebrafinch. Now, let's see some fun facts about birds. Birds have feathers, wings, lay eggs, and are warm-blooded. There are around 10,000 different species of birds worldwide. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It also lays the largest eggs and has the fastest maximum running speed, 97 kilometers per hour. Scientists believe that birds evolved from the theropod dinosaurs. Birds have hollow bones, which helps them fly. Some bird species are intelligent enough to create and use tools. The chicken is the most common species of bird found in the world. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. The bee hummingbird is the smallest living bird in the world, with a length of just 5 centimeters, 2 inches. Don't forget to memorize what you learned. See you again in another video of I'm a Kid.